we can separate out our CSS code from our HTML code, and we can put our CSS code into a separate file. So that I'll show you how we can do that. So what we do is we take our CSS here that we've already written. We're going to copy this into a new file here. This is going to be our style file, and we're going to save this and call it style.css. So this is going to be where our CSS code is. So that's our style code there, and then we have to modify the HTML code as well. So we're going to get rid of all the CSS now in HTML code, and we're going to replace the style tags there, and we're going to replace it with a link here, because we're going to link it to our style sheet style.css. So we just modify this line here, so we have to style sheet, and then we have href, and we write down style. So this is the name of the file that we've just created, the CSS file we've just created, and we now save that, and we can refresh this now. Nothing will change. Let's modify some of these properties again so we can just see that the changes happen. So let's change that to green, and let's change this to blue. Let's save that, refresh that, and you can see that modification has happened there. So it's a good idea to separate out the CSS from the HTML code, especially when your HTML code there becomes a lot of both, and then it just makes it easier to manage